Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Alright, it's a sad day today. Very sad day. So, I've been telling you guys, when I did the oil change on my HELLCAT, it's no big deal. You can take your car and take it in a dealership and get the oil change changed, and carry on with your day and enjoy it. It's totally perfectly fine to be like that, but me being a car lover, enthusiast, car guy, I like a little bit more out of my car. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not just about, to hop in a car and go burn rubber and have fun, drive the car. I'm more than that. I like to connect in my car, you know what I'm saying? And I do my own oil changes. I hand wash my cars, I hand dry them, I wax them, change my own brakes, everything that I can possibly do at home without getting too much involved. I do, because I like my cars. So today, for no apparent reason, I was a little bit bored. As you can see, it's wet outside, it's raining. I was just sitting here in the garage and I'm looking at my HELLCAT. It was pointed like this backwards. And I'm like, alright, I was bored, out of my mind. Nice out, warm, I'm like, I'm just gonna jack it up on the ramps and go underneath it for no apparent reason whatsoever. But that's who I am, I do that now and then, if I can, I just go underneath the car and visually inspect stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm out there on the road. Sometimes I'm goofing around more than I should with this car. It's a fast car. A lot of times I'm practicing to do that even at work. When I machine my parts. I am an aircraft machinist, by the way. And I am a nitpicker. And I have learned over the years, you can save yourself a lot of trouble. Just visually inspect. You know what I'm saying? Not gauges and high precision check. Just visually inspect the parts. A lot of times you can save yourself a lot of trouble. So back to the HELLCAT at the point, like, I'm just gonna put it on the ramps, go underneath that, and I just want to see what it's like underneath my car. Simple as that, Went under, I shut myself all the way on the front and inspect the clamps on the exhaust, looking at the suspension, drive shaft, checked it, looking at the bolts, make sure anything is backed off. Look at my rear suspension, and what did I see? Passenger side half shaft, bloody boot is ripped, grease all over the place. Now I put the car down, unfortunately I cannot show you, but let me see, maybe there is some on the wheel. There is towards the end, you can see some grease, but there is a grease all over the rear suspension, all over. I'm like, what the hell? I touched up some of the suspension parts, with my hand. It all got greasy. I'm like, what the fuck is this, I look at it up close. The bloody boot is ripped and all the grease ran out. Man, I got so upset, I'm like, this car had a 550 miles, I believe it was. I find out the supercharger was bad. Now at 5,000 miles, the bloody boot is ripped and I got a grease all over the suspension. I mean, it's no big deal, it happens, Parts fell. It's a moving part. It fell. It just, what pissed me off the most is, not because I am pissed because that's broken, don't get me wrong, the car cost $70,000, that shouldn't happen. But what pissed me off the most is, I was waiting all winter for the weather to get better so I can enjoy my car, and now I have to deal with this crap. You know what I'm saying? I had to take it to the dealer. you know, explain them. Then they're gonna schedule. Then I have to wait for a part. Probably gonna take 3 weeks, 3 weekends, 2-3 weekends until I got this fixed, you know what I'm saying? And that's what pissed me off the most. Not because it's broken, I am pissed off because it's broken, but it pissed me off because I'm gonna lose 3 weekends from driving the car, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it was kind of a sad day. It was a lucky day, because I went underneath to check it out, but it was a sad day that I found out that it was broken. So I'm just gonna give you like a suggestion to all your car guys. I mean, 99% of the time you ain't gonna find something, but see, like in this case, if I didn't go underneath that and look for something, you know, I would have never seen that. I would have continued drive it until the joint got so dry and the joint would fail. Eventually it would have started making noise and it would fail, you know. And I don't know, maybe that would be like after another 10,000 miles. I have no idea how long would that go like that, you know what I'm saying? And it would be even worse, you know. And I did a little bit reading online, and my understanding is if that thing fell, the Dodge actually is gonna replace the whole shaft. But that would have cost you probably like $700 if that's not covered under a warranty. Even this is considered like a wore out part, so I don't know if they're gonna cover it or not, but I'm gonna raise the hell. I'm not gonna let them tell me that that's not covered under a warranty, because 5,000 miles, I don't give a shit if that's it's a wear out part, you know what I'm saying, that I should be responsible for it. It's 5,000 bloody miles, $70,000 car. I'm not paying a dime for that. You know, I'm gonna raise it. I'm sure they're gonna cover it. Dodge has been pretty good about that, but I'll wait till Monday. I'll give them a call and I'm gonna take the car in and see what they're gonna say. Hi guys, thank you very much for stopping by. Go in your garage and inspect your cars. Visual, pop the hood, go underneath and check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon with another video. And wait for the updates. I'll let you know what happened in a dealer and how the thing's gonna be, how the thing's gonna unveil with this fiasco right there. I'm so fucking upset. Alright guys, see you soon with another video. Have a good one. Bye. Bam!